Let's see. Okay, can you see me now?
Yeah, I can see you now. Perfect. Nice to meet you. So my name is John Gazelle. I'm the trading floor manager here. So nice to have you here with me for this live interview. So please, first of all, introduce yourself, obviously your name, how much you're managing with us here at AudaCity Capital.
Yeah, no doubt. My name is Bobby Kelly. I'm from Alabama originally, live in California now. I'm currently managing $30,000 for you guys.
Perfect. So you basically hit your target on the $15,000 account, and now you move to the second stage. Yep.
Correct.
Perfect. Okay, that's very good. Right. So Bobby, the first question I'd like to ask is, how long have you been trading with us?
I've been trading with you guys now for like almost 9 days.
9 days. So you hit your target in a very short space of time.
Yes, like in 6 days, 6 trading days, I believe I hit it. Yeah.
6 trading days, almost equivalent to a record. Okay, that's very good. So first of all, congratulations. Okay,
Thank
and
you,
hitting your target in a very, very short space of time. So let's talk about that first thing, actually. So how did you hit your target in 6 days? What pairs did you look at? What sort of trades did you take?
Oh, I mainly trade London breakout session in New York. Those are the main two trades, 2 sessions I trade, because Australian market's kind of slow, and I don't really do Japan too much. So yeah, I just focus on London and New York, man. I'm trading as we speak right now on another account as well. I'm up like 1,600. So yeah, it's London breakout, man. That's where it's at.
London breakout, that's my favorite as well. That's a very good strategy, very, very profitable. That's why you hit your target as short. Okay, well done. I'm glad you actually wake up for it as well.
Yeah, it's over here. It's midnight to 9 a.m. in the morning, so I'm up all night, midnight to 9 a.m. on the charts, getting the best setups and taking my profits.
Very good. No, that's really good, actually. Okay, perfect. So first of all, Bobby, I would like to ask is obviously, so you've been trading us for basically just under 2 weeks. You hit your first target, obviously, now on $30,000. So what attracted you to apply to AudaCity Capital? What made you want to choose us?
Well, I mean, I currently I'm with a couple more firms as well, but you guys was the first ones that stood out because I was like, first, you guys, you just have to pay for it and you get money right up front. You don't have to take no tests or anything. So I was like, oh wow, that was pretty attractive. So, and I signed up, and everything works out perfect, just like I said online. I signed up, I paid for it. You guys sent me my account information. I got the 10%. We processed the withdrawal, everything, and I got I doubled my account within the same day. So everything is pretty amazing, man. So I love it. I got a couple of friends gonna come and join you guys next week. So
that's very good. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, perfect. So I know it's only been a very short period of time, but I'd like to find out something from yourself, Bobby. Now, as I'm sure you are aware, there are many firms out there right now offering funded trader programs. And obviously, we get many applications on a daily basis of people, like yourself wanting to join, but then they sort of see the parameters, the rules, the fees, and they start to sort of have like a knee-jerk reaction of, oh, wait, this is too much, or they're trying to hold me back, or, just excuses that maybe the program will not help them hit their target, especially the lot size and the drawdown. Now, obviously, the best example is right now at this present time is you. In 6 days, you hit your target of 10%. So when you first saw our rules and our parameters, what were your first thoughts on that? Did you see it as a challenge, like something that you can work with, or something like, you know what, it's not a problem, I know I'm good, I can hit my target regardless of the rules? Or what were your thoughts about everything, general in regards to parameters?
I mean, honestly, it made me a better trader because I like how you guys don't allow us to do certain lot size with the account. So it makes it very hard for you to blow the account, if that makes sense. So it's like you guys make it very easy. And it's like, if you can't make profit this way, you're not a trader. You need to go study and learn, because this is so easy trading this system. It's like, it's very hard, and you got to do risk management. But it actually made me better in my personal account as well. It's learning me how to do a lot smaller lot size. Like before with these other firms, you can do over leverage your account. You can blow your account the same day. You guys make it very hard for you to blow your account. So you have a lot of chances to, get that 10%. So, I mean, as a trader, professional trader, it's pretty awesome. I wish everybody else did this, because it makes it very hard for me to lose. And I know I'm going to continue to hit the $500,000 mark with you guys. So that's my main goal.
That's very good. I'm glad you see it as more of our rules and parameters looking to shape you to become more of an institutional trader rather than obviously following the retail method of, using high leverage, high frequency, just trying to, jump the gun. And obviously at the end, you will blow your account. So yes, the rules are there in place to protect you, to protect us, and to shape you into a better trader. Correct. Okay, perfect. And Bobby, what I'd like to also ask about you is, a little bit about your trading style, your strategy. So what is your trading style? What is your strategy? How do you trade?
Well, I mean, I've been in the game for almost 7 years trading. So I mean, throughout the years, I used to use indicators, but now I only use price action. Price action is the key, and then of course I do it with the breakout section. So I put the high of the Asian session and the low of the Asian session, and then when London happens, if it breaks above it, I buy it with the 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and if it breaks below it, I sell it with 1.5 risk reward ratio. So it's pretty simple because I used to do the monthly, weekly, daily time analysis, but now when I trade live, I just do the breakout sessions, and it's money almost. It's a 72% win rate. So, and then if you control risk with 72%, so you're gonna be good. So, and it's pretty simple, man. I don't really watch the news. I don't really care what's going on out there. I just keep it the same. So my winners, and my losses, my losses. So, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, that's very good. I like that attitude, actually. And in regards to obviously the fees, now a lot of people obviously come to us as well. They sort of see the fee and they start to think, okay, why am I paying £99 per month? Now, like I said, if you only used our service for a very short period of time, but I'm sure obviously you've traded with brokers in the past. Now, obviously the main difference with us, as yet now, we don't use brokers, we use the investment banks. So how have you been finding the execution? So obviously, there's a bit of insight from yourself, when you're able to take a trade, put your stop to break even, or the spreads, having no swaps and commissions, how did you find that? Do you find our execution service to be actually much more better, or do you find it very similar to, previous brokers you used in the past or other, liquidity providers?
Oh no, it's much better. Main reason because I like the fact that once I place my trade, I don't got to worry about no swap fees when the market switch over. My time 2 p.m. I don't got to worry about no the commission because you guys give us. It's like if I make $10, it's my $10. So it's like I make all the profit, and that's why I don't understand why people don't understand. Like if you charging me €100 or whatever a month to keep the account open, but I trade throughout the week and my commission and everything is free, so it kind of balance itself out. You know what I'm saying? So it's
of course
it's in trader situation. I like it that way because once I know I'm in a trade, I don't gotta be panicking for more drawdown. Because once I set my stops and I set my TPs, I let it play out. And I like it. It's pretty smooth. I like it. No complaints here, man.
Perfect. Okay, I'm glad that you're happy with all of this and you understand the logic behind paying a fee and how obviously it serves you better as a service to obviously make money in the markets and obviously get to a bigger account size in a shorter period of time. And also, Bobby, as a bit of feedback now, like I said, we're getting an influx of applications on a daily basis. And, a lot of traders, they're having to make decisions between, us and other companies. So, and when people normally come to apply for our program and they see the way it's structured, obviously we mainly focus on FX and obviously we discuss the rules and the parameters and so on. Who would you say our funded trader program is actually for? So if someone wants to apply and to join, what advice would you give them? Who would you say it's for, and who should actually apply in the first place, and who should join this program?
I think if first before they join, I think they should be actually a trader. They should know how to trade and learn how to do leverage and understand risk, because the professional trader, when they understand risk and they understand how to trade, like for example, with the $15,000 account you guys give us with the 0.50 lot size, as a trader, that's actually pretty good because who's going to go in heavy anyway in the beginning? You're going to go in small, and then when it goes your way, you put more money in. So it's like, and I like the fact that you guys make it that way because it's a lot easier for, like I said before, it's a lot harder for me it's kind of almost impossible for me to blow this account if you know how to trade. And a real trader know that. So when I read the reviews and stuff, I'm like, okay, it sounds too good to be true. So I got the course right away. You guys emailed me my credentials, and I was like, oh wow, I started trading right off the bat. And it's very self-explanatory, man. You make profit and you guys pay out and you double the account and everything is good. So I mean, I recommend if you're a trader, a real trader, would like this. But if you're like new to the game and you don't have a mentor, you don't know what you're doing, it's gonna kick your butt. But like real traders, professional traders, I love it, man. It's pretty awesome. It's a no-brainer. This is my income. This is how I make a living. I love it.
Perfect. Sounds good. And in regards to obviously as advice, now I know you said that obviously people coming into the program should have the experience, they should be traders, they should know what they're doing. And what's the sort of mindset would you advise people to have when they join the program? Because it's more like a go for broke kind of thing. You got a 10% drawdown, a 10% target, and a lot of traders try to do what you've just done, try to hit their target in a very short space of time, but then they end up hitting the drawdown instead. So, what advice would you give to a trader who joins the program? What mindset they should have and how they should approach this program in order to be successful in it?
Oh, well, like I said, you just gotta have like the mindset is you're not gonna get rich quick, because I mean that's every new trader think I'm gonna get rich quick. You're not gonna get rich quick. You just gotta plan your trade and trade your plan. Like meaning every trade I take, I do the exact same method every time. So I have an exit strategy, I have an entry strategy, and if I see it's not going my way, instead of letting it hit my stop loss, I just take my losses quickly. Because that's what I tell people, because I mean it's not a strategy 100%. So just stick to your strategy, and the way you guys make it, you make it where we can't over leverage, so it's in our favor, it's in the trader favor, as opposed to these other firms where you can, I don't want to say no names, but you can pay for the course, and they give you a certain amount of days to hit the challenge, and then they'll let you over leverage your account on the first trade, and then you got to repay for it over. So with you guys, it's like you pay for it, you get the money right up front. And anybody who know how to trade, this would be very, very, very. I recommend anybody who know what they doing how to trade. It's best just to get you guys capital, and you guys increase it, double every 10%. And 10%, my goal is every 10 days I'm gonna grow my account 10%. So every day I want to do 1%, and that's how I break down the numbers. No matter how much, it comes. Some days you get 2%, some days you get 5%, some days you get minus 1%, but it works itself out. So I recommend anybody that want to make a serious career out of it, and they really good traders, or if they okay traders, because your guys' platform made me a better trader, made me better leverage, and made me a less want to go in heavy. So even in my other accounts, I'm doing the same process what I'm doing with you guys, using that same risk to reward, that leverage. So it's pretty good.
Okay, sounds good. And last but not least, Bobby, what basically feedback would you give for us as a company? So what could we do maybe to make our program better, or what can we add to the program to make it more interesting for people out there, traders looking to join? What would you say maybe we are missing on the program that we could add or just make better? Just obviously in the future, if we are going to make some changes, just collecting some feedback from, traders like yourself who are already on the program.
As of right now, man, because I've been with several different firms, as of my knowledge, you guys are the only firm out there that allow us to get capital right off the bat. So right now, you guys are the leading way right now. So I'm pretty sure maybe other firms are gonna probably try to follow suit and just say, you don't really gotta take the test. You just pay it for it, and you can trade and see what you can do. So, but as far as that goes, I mean, because at the end of the day, we want to make money fast, right? That's the whole point of trading. You want to make money fast. So you guys are the best firm where I pay you today, I get my account today. You know what I'm saying? So, and I get a live account today. So, my bad. Sorry, my alarm. But so I mean, according to that, man, you guys lead that field with that part. But everything else, I mean, I think it's in a trader's hand, man. Because if you're a great trader, I mean, we'll take care of everything else, because you guys provide the capital, and then the fees you guys charge us is nothing, because it's like you can just take your profits and then pay your monthly fee with your profits. You know what I'm saying? So it's like basically free money. So exactly. I mean, it's a win-win. It's a win. In my situation, it's a win-win, because it's like the profits I take, I'm gonna pay you guys, and I'm gonna just keep it going. And you guys keep doubling my account every time I get 10%, which 10% is easy to get in any market if you know how to trade.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well, thanks for that feedback, and obviously for saying, how good we are, and obviously, for recommending us as well to your friends who are looking to join next week. Hopefully they'll have the same success as you've had in a short space of time, but if not, it's okay. Regardless, hopefully they'll be successful in the markets. Okay, perfect, Absolutely. Bobby. Well, to be honest with you, I think there's not much more to be said. So now we've found out more about you. We'll be featuring this interview on our YouTube channel, hopefully by next week. So keep an eye out, and I'll also drop you a message or an email letting you know, just so you can watch it back if you like. And I do look forward to doing the next interview of yourself when you reach $60,000. Hopefully you'll do it in a very short space of time as well. And perfect. Okay, then. So that's all for now. And thank you very much. You take care, and good luck with the rest of your trading. Bye-bye for now.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.